Ever wondered how you can turn your waste into gold? Composting is your answer. This magical process recycles organic waste, enriching your soil while reducing waste. It's a win-win, revitalizing your garden and our planet. So, are you ready to discover the magic of composting? To start your composting journey, gather these simple elements. You'll need green waste like fruit peels and grass clippings, brown waste such as leaves or straw, water, and air. These components, balanced correctly, are key to successful composting. With these in place, you're all set to start composting. Now, let's dive into the composting process. Start by combining green waste like vegetable scraps with brown waste such as fallen leaves. Add water to this mix to kickstart the decomposition. Then it's time to turn the pile, introducing air and speeding up the process. When your compost is ready, it will resemble rich, dark soil and have a pleasant, earthy smell. Remember, composting is an ongoing process. It requires patience, but the rewards are worth it. So, why wait? Start composting today and turn your waste into gold. By doing so, you're not only creating nutrient-rich soil for your plants, but also contributing to a greener world. It's a simple act with profound implications. It's about giving back to the earth and reaping the rewards in your own backyard. So why not give it a shot? You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Happy composting!